फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिखा सकते हो कि देखो मैं तो बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स में आया। सो आपको ट्राई करना है इतना सा अच्छा परफॉर्म करने का कि आपका नाम आए बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स में, एंड आपको टैग्स भी मिलेंगे, बेस्ट परफॉर्मर, बेस्ट स्माइल। सो बी रेडी, आई चेक कौन कर रहा है, कौन अच्छे से कर रहा है। Who's ready for it? Vyom, Tanya, Kavya, Anslin, Midesh, Nanza, सब थम्स अप दिखा दो जिसका इसका मैं नाम ले रहा हूँ। ओके, सो मैम इज देयर, हैंड ओवर टू यू मैम। आप लोग एंजॉय करो सेशन, फिर हम लोग गेम खेलेंगे लास्ट में। सो कोई मत छोड़ना बिफोर वी प्ले अ गेम। कौन कौन एक्साइटेड गेम के लिए?
And we have treasure hunt today. आज गेम में treasure hunt है. Okay, so don't leave after the event.
Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Actually, can
किसको किसको ये इवेंट के बारे में पता है ऑलरेडी, कैसे करते हैं, ब्रश से कैसे पेंटिंग करते हैं? हु नोज? किसी को पता है ब्रश से पेंटिंग कैसे करते हैं? व्योम को पता है। हरवी, आपको कोई डाउट है? आप लोगों को कोई डाउट है तो आप लोग फटफट टाइप कर सकते हो चैट में, हम लोग आंसर देंगे। प्रयान, आपको डाउट है कोई? आप चैट में टाइप कर सकते हो। आप लोगों को कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप चैट में फटफट टाइप कर सकते हो।
Hi, okay, so now the problem is good. Hi everyone. Thank you for the introduction and I hope you guys are very excited for today. Okay, so some people don't have black sheet. All right, no issue. We can work with black paint, acrylic color if you have. It's okay if you don't have black sheet. Abhinav, yeah. It's okay if you don't have black sheet. Just paint the white sheet black, okay? With acrylic color. Are you guys excited to make a really cool galaxy today? Yeah? Okay. Black chart paper, yes, that would work. That's great if you have that. Don't have A3, that's fine. You can use an A4. A4 size, Vivan and yeah, Vivan, A3. If you don't have, A4 will work. A4 size. You don't have, Yashita, you don't have black A3 sheet. You can use the white one, yeah, and paint it black with acrylic, okay? If any one of you have a white sheet, then please paint it black with acrylic, the whole sheet, okay? Yes, film. Yes, this sheet will work. Shreyansh, I can see your sheet. This works good. This will work good. No problem. Please turn on your cameras. Yes, Shrehan. If you have any doubt, just type in the chat box. Abhinav, I can't see your size of sheet. A3, A4 sheet, any sheet you have, that will work. Okay, Medansh, good, you have black sheet, use that. Okay, first of all, what we're gonna do, I am gonna turn on my other camera, okay? Yeah. So first, normal paint. You have poster colors. Okay, that will work. No problem. Just use some paints. Okay. Yes. Wow, this. Okay. जिनके पास ब्लैक शीट नहीं है, वो उस वाइट शीट को, you have ग्रे शीट. Okay, you can use ग्रे शीट भी यूज कर सकते हो, बट व्हाइट नहीं यूज कर सकते हम. ओके, ब्लैक शीट. नो, नॉट श्रेहान, नॉट विद वाटर कलर नहीं यूज कर सकते हम. ओके, पहले प्लीज. ओके, पहले प्लीज हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहले हमें अपनी टेबल या जिसके ऊपर भी आप काम कर रहे हो उसको न्यूज़पेपर से कवर करेंगे हम पहले. ठीक है, ताकि हमारी टेबल या जो भी है खराब ना हो. तो मैंने न्यूज़पेपर्स बोले थे ना, यू हैव ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर्स, है ना? या सो न्यूज़पेपर लो और टेबल पे बिछा दो. या open up your sheet. कोई भी एक या just cover the place जहां पे आप काम करने वाले हो. ठीक है, ताकि गंदा ना हो नीचे, so that the table doesn't get dirty. Please use some old newspaper or you have any waste sheets. कोई भी है उसको ऐसे बिछा दो पहले. ओके, या हाँ. Please use any paints you have, acrylic, poster, कोई भी पेंट्स है, बट वाटर कलर नहीं. ओके, लाइट ब्लू शीट नहीं, नो लाइट ब्लू शीट. यू नीड टू हैव अ डार्क कलर. कोई भी डार्क कलर लो या फिर ब्लैक शीट. ओके, नाउ इवन इफ यू हैव these sheets या फिर A3 साइज भी है तो भी चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, we are Hitanshi, we are making a galaxy today. Okay, by using some old toothbrush. Okay, these toothbrush. Avni, you just have watercolor. Okay, but don't use much water. Like, you should have the poster colors, right? Or some acrylic colors. Chalo, now let's start. Okay, everyone's ready? Yes, everyone's ready with the sheets, I can see. Just, are you painting the sheets black? Hana? Ahana, use paint to cover the sheet black. Okay, okay. And good, Ahana. Or just one more minute and then we'll start. Okay, anyone who's painting the sheets? Vedanshi, use a paintbrush to paint your sheet. Use a paintbrush. No, Shaurya, please, whatever doubt you have, just write in the chat box, okay? Okay, please change the name, whoever sent the last message. Change your name. Okay. Yes, Avni, that would be great. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, now what we're gonna do first, we're gonna create a galaxy of different colors. Okay, what I want you to do is we'll pick out some colors. Okay, which colors we'll need? We'll take white, we'll take blue, white, blue, okay, purple. I'll show you the colors. Wait. Yeah. So first we're gonna need white, okay, blue. If you have dark blue, then that's fine as well. You can take yellow, okay, dark green, not this one, just a second. This one, okay. Whatever doubt you have, please write in the chat. If you don't have purple, it's okay. If you have any of these colors and you not, अगर आपके पास थोड़े से colors है सारे नहीं है तो भी चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है? If you have red, you can use red. We're gonna create a galaxy of different colors, okay? जितनी colorful हम बना सकते हैं वैसी बनाएंगे, okay? All right? Yes. So, are you ready with the colors? Yeah? Okay. Wow, Priyan is very excited. Yes? Okay. You have poster colors, take out your poster colors, no problem. Take out the bright colors that you have, okay?
Ma'am, Shaurya
Now-
isn't ready. I'm just unmuting himself. He'll ask his doubt what he has.
Sorry, what?
Ma'am, Shaurya isn't able to follow up, so I'll just unmute him. Shaurya, you can say what you have doubt.
Yes, I was saying that which colors do we need? I took blue, white, green, red, and orange. Which more colors do we need? I couldn't find more. Which one? Which more colors do we need?
You'll need all these colors, okay? I'm showing you. Just follow me around, okay? I'll come to it.
Ma'am, I will take some time because I have 50 pack and I don't see the color over there. So I have to remove everyone to see which color is it. So I'll take some time.
Okay, no problem. I'll wait. Okay. So I want you all to get your brushes ready and put these colors on the, if you have a color palette, you can use that, like a palette like this, if you have, or you can use the newspaper we put on the base now, जो हमने newspaper लगाया है नीचे, हम उस पे सीधा colors डाल सकते हैं, okay? But अपनी sheet से दूर रखना, okay? Keep your sheet far away from the colors you are placing on the newspaper. All right? You all can understand what I'm saying? Ha, chalo. Now, first we're gonna use white color. Okay? Take some white. I'll use this palette, okay? This is my color palette. You can also use colors to put here on the newspaper. Okay? Yeah, okay. Let's take lots of white, okay? Yep. All right. Now we're gonna put the brush, the color. Okay? पूरे पे color कर दो. Vedanshi, whatever doubt you have, please write in the chat box. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Now what we're going to do, if you have some water, you can use little amount of water, but पानी की इतनी जरूरत नहीं है, तो हम बिना पानी के अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम पेंट ब्रश को ऐसे ऐसे करना है, यू नो, ये देखो, अपनी उंगली, you have to use your finger on the toothbrush like this, and paint will come on the sheet. Can you see this? है ना? अगर और white करना है, take more white, okay, and spray it on the sheet. Let your fingers get dirty, no problem. Harvey, you don't have white color, that's fine. Start with a different color. Okay? Abhi first, we're creating the different star or anything you see, okay, in the night sky. Fine? I am done with white, so now I think I'm gonna use red. Everyone has red color? Yeah? Yellow is okay. Yes, Harvey, yellow is okay, no problem. First, okay, this was the first step. Are you guys done with this? Show me your sheets if you're done with this. Yes, Ishvi, like that. I can see your sheet. Anyone else? Yes, film, good. Yes, wow, you all are doing a great job. Wow, Charisha, awesome, very good. Wow, you guys are doing great. Good. I can see your stars. Wow, Jashne, you have done great. Oh, wow, Vanya. You can make big dots as well. Navya, wow, good. Very good. Chalo. Now, most of you are done with this one. So I am going to move to the next step. Now, we're going to take a different color. And you just joined. Okay. So we are making a galaxy with toothbrush. Okay. I want you to use different colors. Okay. I am going to use red now. All right. Take lots of red. Okay. Then put your paintbrush in the color. And then we're gonna spray it on there. Yes. See? If you don't, this can be done with a paintbrush also, but yeah, see? Can you see the colors? Yeah? Wow. I am done with the red color now. Are you guys done with the red color? Yes. Start using different colors, okay? Wow, I can see your sheet. Very good. Anthony, okay. Good. Who else is done?
Show a thumbs up
Ahana,
if you're done.
Ahana, use more color. You just use white. Use a different color now. You did a good job with the white. Now let's go on to the next color. Yes, Gavya, you're doing good. That's how you have to do it. Wow, Jashne, yours looking amazing. Okay. Who else? Who else has to show me? You all are so engrossed in it. Medhanj. Okay, let me find you. Where are you? Just a second. I'm gonna. Okay. Vyom, good. Who else? Who else? Yashika, good. Okay. Yes, Anselin, good. Okay, Ishani, what I can tell you is we're using a black sheet over here, okay, and an old toothbrush to make a galaxy, okay. We're using different colors. Here, I am gonna show it to you again. Let's use yellow now. I think yellow will look really bright on this black paper, okay. So let's take a yellow now, put it on your rough sheet or the palette you have. Use your brush. If you want, you can clean the brush and then use it, but I like the colors mixed up, so I am not going to clean it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I am just gonna take the brush and use my finger to get the paint on the sheet, okay, like this. Can you see it? I'm using my finger for I am also gonna, like, you can also put the paint directly on the brush. Use your finger to spread it a little bit, and then this is how it will get bigger dots if you want it, right? Okay. Get your hands dirty. Don't be afraid to make anything dirty, okay? It's fine. Look at my hands, see. But this is good. This is fun, right? I used yellow. I used yellow after red. It's not showing it more because I didn't clean my brush. But
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, some students joined late and they're telling you to repeat. They're asking to repeat you.
okay, okay, fine. First, what you have to do from the starting, just place an old newspaper on your table, okay, so that the table doesn't get dirty. All right. Yes, just give me 1 second. I'll see your work. So put a dirty newspaper or anything to cover up the area jahan pe, wherever you are doing your planning to do the work we're doing right now. The next thing you need is an A3 size or an A4 size black sheet. If you don't have a black sheet, then you can obviously take a white one and paint it black first, okay? Yes, Anthony, very good. Good work. Okay, next, what you have to do, take white acrylic color, okay? You can put it on the newspaper if you don't have a color palette like this. Okay, or you can paste the color, or you can put the color on the newspaper. And next, what you have to do, put your brush on the color, okay? Like, I'll show you with yellow. I took the yellow color. I'm gonna put my brush in this, okay? Like this. And then I'm gonna use my finger to spread the color, okay? And it gets sprayed on the sheet like this, right? Do you guys get it? Now let's see what you all have done. Is it clear? I used white, red, and yellow till now. You can use all these colors. You can also use orange or blue, right? Or green. If you have, you can use all these colors. Okay. Now, if you all are done, let's see what you have done till now. Yes, Avni, very good. Use all different colors. I can see only white.
Show your drawings on the screen, children.
Krish, what do you want me to repeat? Prayan, wow, yours looking amazing. Very good. Wow, Angeline, very nice. Oh, Medhanj, amazing, beautiful. Charisha, wow, good work. Prayansh, you're also doing a good job. Rhythm, very nice. Navya, use more color. You use different color. Use a green color or yellow. Use yellow. Wow, Dagdida. Okay. Hi. Wow. You're doing a great job. Gavya, good. Subhadra. Wow. Okay. Use more white. I can see only just bring your sheet closer to the camera. Okay. You can use blue and green on this red sheet. Okay. Use green, yellow. Use yellow more. And yes, Vaibhav. Good. Good job. All right. I think let's go on to the next color now. All right. I think I have two dirty brushes, so I'm gonna use the other one now. Where did it go?
Very good, Vani. Very good.
You guys are so amazing. Wow. Okay. Now I'm gonna use a green. Okay. Let's put it on the color palette or the newspaper. Okay. Then I'm gonna put the brush on in the color. Bharat. Very nice, Bharat. Good. Okay. Now let's put some green. I'm gonna take more green. Now, in my sheet, white is not that visible, so I'm gonna use white again, okay? This is like, I think this is how much we're gonna use right now, okay? अगर इसको और fill करना है, you can do that, but now we'll make stars of our own and we'll make some planets on it, okay? So, if you want to do that, or you can continue with painting like this. Do you want to add more colors to it? Okay. Everyone's so busy painting, very good. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Look at my hands. Yes, now I can see your hands. Yes. Yes, Zina. Yes, very good. Beautiful. Keep on going, guys. Just a minute, I'll see all your drawings. I'm looking at them right now. Okay. Vyom, very good. I can see your painting. Good. Who else? Who else is painting? Anshi, good job. Ishani, good job. Ahana, beautiful. Yes, Navya, very good. Good job. Wow, you guys are making such beautiful galaxies. Wow, Dakshita, Gavya, very beautiful. Uh, I, okay, Angeline, just okay. First, you're gonna cover your table with old newspaper, okay, and then take a black sheet. We'll start with yellow. Sorry, we'll start with white color first, okay. Take the white color, put it in a palette, or you can put it on the newspaper, okay, here. And then what you have to do, just use your finger to get the paint on the sheet, okay, like this. Use more color to get bigger dots on the sheet, like this. Okay, Asleen, can you see it now? Do you understand? And yes, if you want to share the beautiful creations that you're creating, just send them on the number that's been in the chat box, okay? You can WhatsApp it. And I'd love to see them. Okay. Yes, Kya, I am an artist. And you guys are too. You are creating such beautiful pieces right now. Wow, Vanya, beautiful. I can see you guys are creating your own galaxies. खुद के galaxies बना रहे हो आप लोग. बहुत सुंदर सुंदर. Very good. Okay. Now, what you can do, like in my sheet, there are not that big dots, okay? And I want bigger stars in the galaxies. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take a brush, okay, a paintbrush. You guys can add more colors if you want. If you want to add a blue, you can do that. I think I'm also gonna do that. I'll show you. You can even place the color directly on the toothbrush and then you can spray it. Okay. Mine got mixed with white. Oops. I got bigger stars now. Okay. I'll use blue. I'll use some orange. What about you guys? Wow, Justin. Amazing. Wow. Oh, thank you, Kia. Sure, you can. That's so sweet. Where is your art? I can't find you. If you guys are done, just hold up your sheet and show me what you guys have done. with all the colors. Then we'll start using the paintbrush, okay? Yes, Avni, show me again. I didn't see it. Oh, wow. You even used golden. That's so good. Very good. Yes, Nyanza. Good job. I can see it. Very good. Done so neatly. Yes, Charisha. Very nice. You are doing such a neat work. Yes, Navya. Wow. Good. Good. And who else? Who else? Show me your sheets. Yes, Vedanshi. Good. Navya. Very good. Navya Bolia. Good. Who else? Yes, Kia. Show me your work. You're not doing any work? Are you not making the galaxy? Bharat Graj. Oh, wow. Good. Very nice. Just put the bigger dots everywhere, not on just one place, okay? Spread them around. Who else? Ishani, good. Hitanshi, good job. Yashita, I am looking for you. Wait. Shrihan, very nice. I love the big dots that you have done. Very good. Vyom, well done. You guys are doing even better than me. Wow.
Geet, your video is not on. That's why ma'am is not unable to see you.
Yes,
Geet,
Vaibhav.
Navya.
Sorry, what?
Ma'am, Geet's and Navya's video is not on. That's why ma'am is unable to see you. Switch on your videos, guys, so that ma'am will able to see you and say you.
Yeah,
which is
exactly. Turn on your videos, guys. If you're doing artwork, then show me. Harvey, good. Very good. I love the colors you have used on different places. Yashita. Okay, let me find you, Yashita. Yes, Yashita. Oh, wow. Good. Can you bring your sheet closer, Yashita? Yes, very good. Use more bright colors like yellow if you have. Okay. It's a purple sheet now. Tanush, I can see yours. Okay. You used your finger to make those bigger dots? No. With brush. Oh, with paintbrush. Okay, good job. Very good. The next step is you can use a paintbrush to make bigger dots in the galaxies. Right now, I am loving the galaxy that I created. Look at all the different colors it's showing. It's looking beautiful, right? Geet, okay, let me just wait, okay? I have so many kids. Okay. Show me everyone. I'm looking at your drawings now. Geet, where are you? Let me. Dakshita, wow, I love the colors. Beautiful. Gavya, oh my god. Amazing job. Very good. And okay, Subhadra, good job. Very good. Use a paintbrush to make bigger dots if you want. Okay. Okay. Yes, Samapti. Show me. I can't see. Bring it closer. Bring your sheet closer. Okay, good. Okay, now I can see it. Good job. Use more colors, please. Use colors more than white, okay? Shrihan, good, I can see your good work. Geet, I am looking for you. Wait. If you have your camera off, then please turn on your cameras. Geet, you just have to make bigger dots. Like, just a second. Let me show you, okay? Look at my screen, everyone. Just use a little bit of paint, okay? Like, it doesn't have yellow. My Galaxy doesn't have yellow color. So I'm just going to put yellow dots, okay? Like this. Anywhere around. If you want, you can even make some planets. Do you want to make some planets? We'll make planets using the toothbrush. Okay. Just take a color, any color you like, besides black. Okay. And on one corner of the sheet, if you want, you can make a small circle using the toothbrush. Okay. Try making a circle. Like this. Can you see it? And then with the paintbrush, you can make a ring around it. Right? You can make something like this here or somewhere around. Vidansh, just a second. Okay. The circle doesn't, yeah, Geet, I found you. Okay. Show me your drawing. Yes, Vyom, wait a second, please. Harvi, very good. If you want to make the planet, you can use a toothbrush. You can choose any color. I chose some of yellow, some of blue, and I mix them. Okay. Yes, you can make as just try not to cover the stars or galaxy we made. Okay. Make them some planets here, some here, some here. Okay. Not too many. Then you just ruin the sheet, okay? Now show me. Yeah, okay. You all can see my sheet. Show me, guys, what you have done. Vedanshi is making one planet. Okay, make one planet. But don't copy me, okay? Try to use your own imagination and create on your own. अपनी खुद की imagination use करो और खुद बनाओ, okay? You can even make just a simple circle if you want. I'll use, if you want, you can just make a simple circle here like this, okay? And if you want to make it perfect, then you can use some paintbrush to correct it, but it's okay if it's not that perfect. Okay, like this. And you can make some dots around it. Yeah. Now show me if you guys are done. Are you guys done? Okay, wow, everyone. Wow, Avni, very good. Wow, Medansh. Don't copy me though, okay? Please try to make more planets. Yes, Medansh, make more planets. Ishvi, show me what you've done. Ishvi, show me. Oh, wow. Beautiful. So pretty. Oh, wow, Charisha. Good one. Yes, beautiful. Rhythm, you're doing a good job. Keep on doing it. Gavya, wow. Oh, you made a planet like me? Okay, good. Good job. Yes, Vyom, I'm coming to you. Just a second.
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल गाइस, आप लोग कितना अच्छा बना रहे हो, आप लोग तो ऑलरेडी आर्टिस्ट हो। आप लोग
Seriously.
फोटो भेजना मत भूलना, तब तो आप लोग का पोस्ट होगा, तब आप लोग का बेस्ट परफॉर्मर डिसाइड होगा, टॉप 10 बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स कौन है। तो
Hmm.
सब फोटोज भेजना मत भूलना, जो नंबर व्हाट्सएप यहाँ पे चैट में डाला हुआ है, यू कैन
चैट
सेंड ऑन
बॉक्स में
दैट
नंबर
नंबर।
डाला हुआ है, प्लीज सेंड योर फोटोज प्लीज गाइस।
Yes, please. मैं देखना चाहती हूँ आप लोगों ने कितना अच्छा अच्छा बनाया. ओके.
मैं तो बहुत
Oh.
एक्साइटेड हूँ देखने के लिए किसको क्या मिलता है, बेस्ट स्माइल, बेस्ट बैकग्राउंड, मोस्ट इंटरैक्टिव, बेस्ट आर्टिस्ट, ये सब मिलेगा आप लोगों को।
बहुत एक्साइटिंग है ये तो. ओके, चलो गाइस, दिस वाज द लास्ट स्टेप to our galaxy. Okay, if you want to make a green planet, someone asked me, I don't remember the name, I'm sorry. Who asked me? Manasvi, right? Yeah. How to draw a green planet? You don't have to do anything, just take the green paint on a toothbrush, make a circle somewhere, anywhere you want. Okay, you can draw a ring around it, if like I made, or you can just make a big circle anywhere on the sheet. Okay. Oh, oh, just a second. Who made? Okay, let me now. If you guys are done, please show me. Okay. Wahinur, we'll share the number again in the chat box. Okay. Please share the number again in the chat box.
Yes, I'm just sharing.
Yeah. Okay. I am coming to you guys now. Now let's see your paintings. Yashita. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Shaurya. Wow. I'm just in awe right now. This is beautiful. Great job. Vanya. Oh my God. Good one. Amazing. Avni, amazing. Good job. You're doing such a good job. Anselin, good. Wow, I love that
Everyone
green
has made their
planet.
best galaxy.
Yes.
Very beautiful.
Medansh, good job. Kiansh, wow, I love the red planets
Very nice,
everywhere.
Tanush.
Good.
Very beautiful guys, very beautiful. Priyan, Shaurya.
Anshi, you're doing a good job. Shrihan, wow. That black, gray, white planet looks amazing. Vyom, show me what you've made now. Oh, wow. I love the splatter of red and yellow somewhere. That's looking amazing. Good. Okay. Who else? Who else? Geet. Let me find you.
Very beautiful guys. आप लोग सबको फोटो भेजना है, फोटो भेजना मत भूलना। मैं वापस डाला हूँ उसके चैट बॉक्स में, व्हाट्स द व्हाट्सएप नंबर, उस व्हाट्सएप नंबर में अपना ब्यूटीफुल क्रिएशन भेजना मत भूलना। बहुत अच्छा आप लोगों ने बनाया है।
नंबर नोट कर लो।
आप
और
लोग
you
तो
listen.
आर्टिस्ट हो।
Number note कर लो. चलो. I really want to see all your photos. Okay. Geet, turn on your camera so I can see your painting. Oh wow, Geet, amazing. Shaurya, you have done a good
Yeah.
job. I love the planets, like different planets you have created. Beautiful. Good job. Okay. Who else? Who else? Manasvi, good one. Okay. Vedanshi, oh, I'm so sorry. I'll find you. Wait a second. Hmm.
बहुत बहुत अच्छे गाइस, आप लोग सब
Oh,
फोटो
yes,
भेजना मत
Vedanshi.
भूलना।
Ha, please. Vedanshi, good job. Okay. Good. Beautiful. Subhadra, wow. Good job. Very
So now,
good.
so now who is ready to play a game? Who is ready to play a game? आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा ड्राइंग बनाया, अभी गेम तो बनता है, गेम की डांस, whatever you
Exactly. Hello, who is ready? Raise your hands. Show a thumbs up. Come on, show
जल्दी
some
जल्दी
excitement,
जल्दी रेज
guys.
योर हैंड और थम्स अप जल्दी से।
जितने votes
और-
रहेंगे उतना मजा आएगा गेम में। चलो,
और जिनका वीडियो ऑन नहीं है वो सब फटफट वीडियो ऑन कर ले। I'll ask
वीडियो
everyone
ऑन
to switch
करो।
on their videos. ये कंपटीशन टाइप है, मेरे को देखना है कौन कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, तब ना हम लोग बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स डिसाइड करेंगे। सो ऋषिका मैम नाउ गेम खिलाएगी, आप लोगों को फॉलो करना है गेम। ओके,
Is everyone ready? सब रेडी हैं? Show a thumbs up. Okay, so now हम ट्रेजर हंट खेलेंगे। ओके, इसमें क्या करना है, आई विल टेल यू, हम एक डिस्क्रिप्शन देंगे। ओके, आई विल गिव यू डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड आपको उस हिसाब से एक ऑब्जेक्ट लाना है। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन वुड बी ब्रिंग अ पिंक ऑब्जेक्ट। फास्ट, जो जल्दी लाएगा वो जीतेगा। कम ऑन, फास्ट
जल्दी
फास्ट
जल्दी
फास्ट।
गाइस, जल्दी जल्दी। पिंक ऑब्जेक्ट गंदा मत कर देना, आप लोग के हाथ में पेंट है, गंदा मत
Okay,
करना।
some are really intelligent. They're showing their paint only. Very nice.
वेरी नाइस, यू आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट गाइस, आप लोग इतना जल्दी
So
पेंट।
intelligent, huh? They just show the paint. Okay, pink object.
वेरी नाइस, आप लोग शौर्या, अंशी, व्योम, काव्या, अभिनव,
Very
इतना
nice,
जल्दी जल्दी
Abhinav,
आप लोगों ने ले
Rhythm,
आया। वेरी
Dakshita.
नाइस। आहाना,
Avni is still drawing. Okay. So are you ready for the next one? Very nice, Medhansh. Very nice. I can see it.
Subhadra brought a pink toothbrush. Good.
अभी मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ
Okay.
कौन जल्दी लाता है। मैम जो अनाउंस करेगी मैं चेक करता हूँ जल्दी जल्दी कौन लाता है, फर्स्ट कौन लाता है। चलो लेट्स सी।
Yeah, we'll see that. Very nice, Shreyansh. Okay, so the next one is bring something which you need while sleeping. Okay, bring fast.
सबसे पहले प्रथम लाया है। प्रथम
Okay,
अपना
Kavya brought
पिलो
a
पहले ही
pillow.
दिखा दिया।
Shreyansh brought a
प्रथम,
pillow. Anna brought a pillow. Very nice. Very nice, Vanshi.
वेरी
सबने
नाइस।
पिलो
गाव्या है
लेकर के
जब
आया है।
पिल्लो, अपना नाम का पिल्लो है गाव्या के पास। वेरी गुड गाव्या, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
प्रथम के पास इमोजी वाला पिलो है। Even Janesh has that. Very nice.
वेरी नाइस गाइस, आप लोग का तो इतना इनोवेटिव, आप लोग तो आर्टिस्ट ऑलरेडी, आप लोग पिल्लो में ही आर्ट बना के रखे हो अपना।
Yeah. Okay. So the next one is bring a black object. Black
ब्लैक
object.
कलर
जल्दी
नहीं,
जल्दी
ब्लैक
जल्दी
कलर,
जल्दी।
ब्लैक नहीं, कलर नहीं दिखा सकते। ब्लैक ऑब्जेक्ट अदर देन ब्लैक कलर। जल्दी
ऑब्जेक्ट
जल्दी
लाना है, कलर नहीं दिखाना है पेंट से। ओके
आप लोग पेंट दिखा दोगे।
ओके,
जल्दी
यू आर
से
शोइंग
ब्लैक।
योर ओन, दे आर शोइंग देयर शीट ओनली। ब्लैक
वेरी
शीट।
नाइस प्रथम, वेरी नाइस मेदांश। मेदांश ब्लैक पेन वो पेंट
Okay,
ब्रश
Navya
लाया।
has brought a remote and Shreyansh is also
Shaurya
showing
has also
something.
brought a remote.
Vanshi is showing a calculator. Some of them are showing their own sheet. Okay. Okay,
nice.
very nice.
वेरी नाइस
Chalo, next one. Be ready. Okay, your favorite toy. Bring your favorite toy.
जल्दी
Fast,
जल्दी,
fast, fast.
मेरे तो
जितने
बहुत
जल्दी हो
सारे
सके.
फेवरेट है, मैं तो फेवरेट टॉय नहीं डिसाइड कर पाता हूँ। जल्दी से अपने
Okay,
फेवरेट टॉय
Avni
लाओ।
has brought her doll. Okay, Medhansh, I can see it.
शौर्य ने बेब्लेड
Okay.
लाया है, नाइस।
शौर्य ने बेब्लेड लाया है या
Avni,
दक्षिता
very
has
nice.
brought a yo-yo. Is it a yo-yo? I think so.
Ishani
No.
has brought a teddy bear, red teddy bear, nice.
Palak
What is that,
also has
Vyom?
teddy
Kavya
bear.
has a snowman. No, not snowman. Something snowman kind of doll.
Vyom, what
Okay.
is that? You can type in the chat box. We can't figure out kya hai wo.
Abhinav, don't have any toy? You don't play with any toys?
Shreyansh has got a
Okay.
jeep.
Subhadra is showing
The
her
block.
Barbie doll.
Vyom, आपका favorite toy
Shreyan has
block
a
कैसे हो
big
सकता है?
robot. Okay. We all
Nice,
loved
everyone,
watching your
nice.
toys. Let's go to the next one now. A red object. Red object, red object. Fast, fast, fast.
Beyblade. Tray. Okay, wow.
Chair,
आप
Bed
लोग तो इतने
sheet.
होशियार हो,
ring,
आप लोग तो
pillow, box. Okay. Shreyansh, what have you brought? You can type it. I don't know what is
very
it.
nice, Yashita, very nice.
Yes, Yashita, I can see it.
आप लोग कितने
Okay,
फास्ट हो, इतने
Kamil
एक्टिव
brought
कैसे हो सकते हो
A
आप लोग?
box.
Pringles. Nyanza brought Pringles.
Okay.
Very innovative.
Okay,
Navya
Shrihan
chair
has
लेके
brought
आया।
a book. Vedhanshi has a pillow, red colored Spider-Man pillow. Okay. Now a brown object. Brown object.
Other than your color नहीं दिखाना है। Color जो
Colors किसी को नहीं दिखाना है.
disqualify।
An object. I'm talking about an object. Okay. Shaurya is showing
A board,
some
nice,
board.
Shaurya.
Okay.
प्रथम dress
Vedhansh
लेके
is
आया
showing
है।
his paintbrush. Prayan is also showing his
Vedanshi,
paintbrush.
वेदांशी ने पर्स लाया है, नाइस वेदांशी।
Very nice, Vedhanshi.
आप लोग तो इतना इनोवेटिव।
Kavya, what you have? Pillow. Yeah, it is a pillow. No, they
Very
are
nice,
slippers.
Charisha.
Very nice, Palak. I don't think it is brown. I can't see brown color. Palak Agarwal. Okay, now it is. Okay, I can see it. It's a purse. Okay, Ishani has brought.
श्रेयांश ने ढोल
What
लाया
is
है
that?
अपना। श्रेयांश, very nice, man.
Okay, now an object which helps in cooking. अब तो किचन जाना पड़ेगा.
जल्दी जल्दी किचन चल जाओ, मॉम से जल्दी से अच्छा ऑब्जेक्ट लेके आओ। जल्दी 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 गिरा मत देना फोन, जो फोन लेके भाग रहा है गिरा मत देना।
वेदांश तो स्पून लेके आ गया।
Okay.
नाइस मैदान।
Anshi ने ball
Yeah.
लाया है. Most of them brought a ball. Abhinav has a fork. Vanya has a ball. White color ball. Okay.
वेदांशी ने आलू ले आया किचन से।
आहाना पूरा
Okay.
अपना किचन सेट उठा के ले आई। वाओ।
वेरी नाइस,
You all
वेरी
are
नाइस।
so intelligent. कितने फट से सब ले आ रहे हैं. Very nice.
Navya has brought mirchi.
Okay.
Wow,
What is
Navya.
that, Vedhanshi?
That's
What
a
are you
fruit.
showing? What is that? Yes, Shaurya, I'm seeing yours.
हिरल ने वीडियो ही लेके चल गया। हिरल ने कैमरा दिखा रहा स्टोव की तरफ।
Yeah.
आप लोग इतने
Oh,
इनोवेटिव
that's
कैसे
an
हो सकते
artwork
हो?
made by you. Wow, Vedanshi, that's beautiful. Very
Very
good.
nice, कावेश।
Okay. Now this is a very easy one. An object which helps you to write. Write. Okay, pen. Avni brought a pen. Prayan brought a pencil.
सबसे इजी है
Subhadra
पेंट ब्रश।
pencil,
पेंट
Navya
ब्रश भी दिखा
pencil.
दो मैम को। आप लोग बोल सकते
Screen
हो
पर
कि मैं
clearly
पेंट
दिखना
ब्रश
चाहिए. Gavya has also got a pencil. Okay, very nice.
Yeah, wow.
वाओ एवरीवन, कितना आप लोग कितना एक्टिव हो। ये लास्ट वन है, ये लास्ट वन हम लोग डिसाइड करेंगे कौन कितना एक्टिव है, कितना जल्दी ला रहा है। सो रेडी एवरीवन,
Okay.
लास्ट वन है ये मैम का।
This one is the last one. And किसी को कलर बॉक्स से कुछ नहीं उठाना है, ऑब्जेक्ट लाना है. ओके, सो अ ग्रीन ऑब्जेक्ट, ग्रीन कलर ऑब्जेक्ट.
जल्दी, ग्रीन तो ढूंढना मुश्किल है।
ग्रीन
तो
कलर नहीं,
Green
पेंटिंग का
color,
कुछ
okay.
नहीं, पेंटिंग के अलावा कोई और चीज। चलो
Neanza. Okay, Vanya is very intelligent. She's showing a drawing book and behind it there is a picture. So she's showing that. Very nice. Yashita, what is
पलक
that?
ने स्प्राइट का बॉटल ले आया है। नाइस पलक।
Okay, Abhinav brought a shirt. Dakshita is showing her box.
Quiet is
And-
showing a leaf, green color leaf. Wow.
Oh wow, very nice. Okay,
Avni is showing a register and a hat. Okay, very
Kavya has
good.
balls. Ahana is showing a mobile cover. Okay.
Kyansh.
Janshi
Wow, you
showing
made us
pillow.
smile.
Okay, Avni has a hat also. Medhansh is
Very
showing a
beautiful,
fan,
everyone.
green color fan.
आप लोग तो
सब कितने
पिछले
active
फर्स्ट
हैं,
पर
even-
कितने एक्टिव हो। हम लोग को तो
Yeah.
बहुत मुश्किल होगा डिसाइड करने में बेस्ट एक्टिव पर्सन कौन है।
मैं तो हार जाती इस गेम में।
आज का सेशन हम लोग एंड करते हैं। मैं वापस आपको बताता हूँ कि आपको टॉप 10 परफॉर्मर्स एवरी डे डिसाइड होंगे। तो आपको इंस्टाग्राम पेज चेक करना है अपना, लाइक शेयर, अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताना कि इंस्टाग्राम में ऐसे मेरा पोस्ट डाला गया है। तो एंड
या
मैंने
आप सब बताओगे एंड तब आपकी सारे फ्रेंड्स आपकी तारीफ करेंगे। वाओ, यू हैव गॉट दिस।
मैंने
ओके,
नंबर भेज दिया, आपको फोटोज भी भेजना है। डोंट फॉरगेट टू
एंड या ऑफ कोर्स डू सेंड योर फोटोज, वी ऑल विल लव टू सी योर फोटोज।
एंड जो 9 और 13 एज के बीच में आते हैं वो लोग तो बूट कैंप जरूर ज्वाइन करना, आप लोग तो फैन हो जाओगे।
या बूट कैंप में वी ऑल हैव दैट स्केचिंग क्लासेस जहाँ पे आप स्केचिंग सीख सकते हो। आपको एकदम बेसिक लेवल से सिखाया जाएगा। ओके, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न एंड आपका एज ग्रुप मैच कर रहा है, प्लीज रजिस्टर करो, बहुत मजा आएगा उसमें।
अब आप अनम्यूट
Okay.
करके मैम को थैंक यू बोल सकते हो, जिनको जिनको
You can
ma'am को
show a
thank you
heart and thank your ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for the class. I like the planet.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. For the class. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you
Bye,
everyone.
guys.
बहुत अच्छा किया आपने।
Bye.
Bye bye everyone. Meet you
अपने
tomorrow.
photos
कल भी
भेज
सब
देना।
ऐसे ही एक्टिवली ज्वाइन करना। ओके,
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
चलो
फोटोज भेज देना इस नंबर पे।
प्लीज सब
everyone.
अपनी फोटोज भेज देना। हाँ, नंबर कॉपी कर लेना प्लीज। ओके, बाय बाय।
Bye, guys.
अभिनव,
Bye.
गुड जॉब।
bye bye
See you tomorrow.
everyone.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye.